Nandamuri Tarak Ramarao Jr., popularly known as Junior NTR or Tarak, is an Indian film actor, Kuchipudi dancer, playback singer, and television personality known for his works in Telugu cinema. He is the grandson of Telugu legendary actor, founder of Telugu Desam Party, and former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, NTR. NTR Jr. has been one of the most known actors in the South industry, and there isn't a single person who is not familiar with his presence and has been a blessing to many of his die-hard fans. Tarak, who is blessed with all the good looks, is in the acting industry since the 90s and has spent almost 2 decades in the South Indian industry. We have seen him playing various roles in life, but the variation he has with his never-aging formula is something we would like to know. He still looks the same guy we saw a few years back. With each day passing by, he tends to be charming and impressive, not only with his acting prowess but also with his looks. Junior NTR pours his life and soul into every character he plays. He is one of the most handsome gems from Tollywood, and there's no doubt. The RRR star became even more desirable once he began working on his body too, and wow, it's hard not to like what we see. NTR starred in his acting career as a child artist in Ramayanam 1996 and won the National Film Award for Best Children's Film. He debuted as an adult with the film Ninnu Chudalani. The movie failed to live up to the audience's expectations, and Junior NTR received a lot of flack for his acting. Junior NTR's dance moves in the latter film became extremely popular among the masses. The action film Simhadri was a huge hit at the box office. The movie won him the title of Young Tiger. He is also known for his works in several box office hits like Student Number 1, Adi, Simhadri, Rakhi, Brindavanam, Badshah, Nanaku Premato, Janata Garage, and Aravinda Sameta, with a huge fan following for his films. Action drama Aravinda Sameta, which became one of the highest grossing Tollywood films of the year. Tarak is playing 20th century freedom fighter Komaram Bhim in S.S. Rajamouli's magnum opus RRR. Before release itself, the film created a lot of hype. Apart from being an accomplished actor, Junior NTR has also sung songs in several of his movies. He made his debut as a singer in his movie Yamadonga, followed by Country, Adurs, Rabasa, Nanaku Premato. He has worked in around 26 films and has won 1 State Award, 2 Filmfare Best Telugu Actor Award, and 4 Cinema Awards so far. Junior NTR made his television debut as the host of the Bigg Boss Telugu that is being broadcast on Star Ma channel. The actor is among India's top 100 film celebrities. Apart from his acting career, Junior NTR is also actively involved in politics. He campaigned for his grandfather's party, TDP. Indian beverage company Parle Agro has signed Tollywood star Junior NTR as the brand ambassador for Appy Fizz for South India. He is also brand ambassador for Malabar Gold, Himani Navratna Hair Oil, Jandu Balm, and Boro Plus Talc. During Badshah audio function, a fan died due to a heavy stamped. NTR donated 5 lakhs to his family and also promised to take care of his family due to the fan's sudden demise. Rama Rao announced that he intended to donate 20 lakhs to CM's relief fund to take up relief operations for victims of Cyclone Hudhud in Andhra Pradesh.